Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to call post user API in React. So let's get started. As you can see, the Firebase.js file. First of all, I'm going to import get Firestore. It will be from Firebase/Firestore, and we have to import here get Firestore. After this, I'm going to call here the import that we have get Firestore. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the app instance. After this, I'm going to save the response of this into the DB object, and we have to export this. Let's navigate to the browser. Let me open here the all products tab. Let's go to the cloud storage, and here I'm going to create a new database. Click next, start in test mode. Click on the create button. As you can see, the default database created successfully. Now let's go back to the VS Code. Inside the post user component, I'm going to import DB from the firebase.js file. It will be from util/firebase. After this, I'm going to import collection and the add doc. It will be from firebase/firestore. After this, inside the try block, I'm going to call here the import that we have add doc. Inside this, I'm going to pass here the collection. Inside the argument of the collection, we have to pass here the DB object. After this, I'm going to pass here the DB name, that is the users. After the DB name, we have to pass here the form data object where we have a form values. Let me add here the await, and I'm going to create an object to save the response of this, and it will be a result. Let me uncomment the use navigate hook, and we have to navigate the user to the dashboard page. So let me add here the path for the dashboard page that we have /dashboard. Now you can take a look of the post user component. Let's navigate to the browser. Let me open the inspect. Let's fill the form with the first name Johan, last name, email that we have this, and the phone number. Let me add this. Let's click on the post user button. As you can see, we got the response from the Firebase, and it's navigating us to the dashboard page. Let me refresh the page. As you can see, the users collection where we have a posted user. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.